Hain Nuevesia, yes, because I really did say I wanted to bring Hain on the national stage. Well, in terms of Hain, I do know just enough to say that it really was named after a certain place in Spain. And then Nuevesia apparently is also known to be one of the stars on the Philippine flag because it was one of the main provinces that actually tried to overthrow the colonial era of Spain.
Oh, yes, correct. It's a race of the sun.
Yes, that's right.
At ang nakatutuwa dito, you fully understand the traits of Nuevo Ecijano farmers, no?
Yes,
Agriculture
because that's what I really want to really imbibe on this journey, not just because with beauty pageants, yes, you represent like the beauty, the poise and all that, but what's most important is that you're not going there as yourself, but because you're representing the place you're from. Because it's really in due diligence that I really try to learn as much as I could.
And how would you describe the people of your province?
Welcoming. That's something I clearly observed from whenever I would come back here from Papua New Guinea, and that same demeanor is something I want to bring onto the national stage, so that people will always feel welcome, whether they're from a different province or hopefully if I get the crown, they're from a different nation.
Yung height mo na yan, hindi ka into sports, nag-venture into sports?
I tried going into volleyball, but I guess that wasn't my strongest suit, so I went into swimming, and doon naman po, I was able to get accolades, I think by 12th grade, I was able to get 8th place, 7th to 8th place in swimming internationally.
Katrina is a very, alam mo yung, accommodating din siya. Alam mo, yung kahit siya yun nasa ibang bansa, talagang yun ang, niya, Pinoy na Pinoy siya, at heart. Tapos, very sweet siya sa mga kamag-anak niya dito na kahit alam mo kahit alam mo Inglesera siya, pilit niya nakik-cope up siya dun sa mga bata dito sa Pilipinas nung bata siya. At saka hindi siya namimili ng kausap. Yun ang ko sa kanya. At saka very humble.
Ma'am, tita ka niya, no?
Yes.
So nakita mo yung kung paano siya makisama sa mga pinsan niya, sa mga relatives, kumusta siya? Sige no, kasi nag-aral siya, international school ng high school, then UST sa kanyang nursing, at saka RN, tama po ba?
Yes.
Oho. So paano siya makipagrelasyon at ano yung nakikita
Very
niyo?
warm, very sweet siya sa mga cousins niya. Walang discrimination na siya yung magaling mag-English or what, ganun. Naglaki siya sa ibang bansa, wala pong ganun. Talagang pare-pareho sila. Pag nagpipiknum, pag naghaharing-taga sila ng maliliit, ganun din siya, sumasali rin siya. And one thing, talagang bright siya kasi consistent honor student siya. Kahit saan siya mapunta sa Papua New Guinea,